Hi guys, good morning. So it is Saturday today. I woke up a while ago and I'm wearing this model off duty hair, and my t-shirt also says busy on vacation. Yeah, wearing a off duty look on duty and wearing a busy on vacation t-shirt while working. I mean, also how I wish though, how I really wish I was on a vacation right now. Today I thought of vlogging because my neck, oh my god, for the last 3 days my neck has been aching so much. If you follow me on Instagram you would know. I don't know what is it. My mom says that it's because of my embroidery. Like, I think I was just embroidering, looking in the same direction for 2 hours. My mom says it's because of that, but I don't know, it could be my workout or it could actually be just my sleeping position. But I woke up with such a bad neck pain the other day. I couldn't even move even this much. Like, I literally just had to look like that, but now I'm able to move it this much, not still like completely, but there is progress and I feel much better today. I have been like pretty low, not so motivated. Obviously there's not going around any which ways, and when you're in pain, yeah, I've literally been in my bed. But today I thought, you know, I should just start vlogging you guys along with me. I don't know if this will be like a day vlog or maybe a weekly vlog or a weekend vlog. We will see, because I don't know. It's the lockdown, so nothing's really happening, so we will see. Any which ways, my groceries came in today. The last time I spoke about my groceries in the Cyclone wala video. So what happened is I actually ordered also, oh my god, I love you guys so much. So many of you guys sent me recommendations and just you know, places that I can order in from. So I actually did the I think I did manage placing my order just the other night on Big Basket. So I ordered couple of things from Big Basket. I also ordered couple of things from Sahyadri Farms. So yeah, here I am. I'm just going to show you everything that I got. At the same time, I'm just going to tell you what I think about the quality and the freshness and everything, even though I have not really made them, but you know, you can tell just by looking at it. So we shall see. The first thing that I ordered, this is basil. I am actually planning on, oh my god, this smells really nice. So I'm actually planning on making the pesto, and I also thought this would be great with pasta, so that's why I got it. I want to make that olio alio pizza, pasta for that. Then I got some pudina to put in my chais, and I actually looked up this Parsi chai recipe. Usme, you know, they use pudina, so I want to try that and make some pudina chutney out of it, so that's great. Then I got 2 broccoli heads because I love broccoli. Broccoli is my favorite food. I can have it like 3 times a day all my life. Broccoli, yummy, love it. Then I got some cherry tomatoes again for the pasta. Then I got some baby corns. I actually got 3 of those. Then I also got some chickpeas. These are sprouted, so this is how it looks like. And then I also got capsicum, but like bell peppers, but these are like imported. So that's all that I got from Sahyadri Farms. So far I can definitely tell you that these are extremely fresh, okay, like very fresh. And यहाँ पे I have got my flowers. Actually these are like stuck, but I'll show you like a top view. I don't want to take it off right now. I will probably take it out in a while, because I need to clean my vase and also the table a little bit, because I've literally been in my bed. So once I do that, then I'll, you know, show you guys. Now I'm going to show you everything that I got from bigbasket.com, because this arrived a little earlier. I just had it in my kitchen. Okay, so this is spinach. Then I got, I don't know why did I get so much basil. I really don't know what to do with so much basil, so let me know if you know any recipes. I literally have like 3 packs of basil. Anyway, I do think that one of this I will give it to Samar and my mom, so that she can make something. So yeah, so much basil. I also got some zucchini. This one I don't really like it. I mean, the quality of this one seems okay, so I got 2 of those. Then I also got some parsley, and this is the ragi loaf that I got. Yeah, I don't know, I mean, ragi is really nice. I actually watched one of What I Eat in a Day, Priyanka Chopra wala video, and she said that she eats ragi roti, so that's why I got ragi loaf. I think breads come in really handy, So yeah, then I got some walnuts. I also got some mushrooms. Cannot live without mushrooms. I should have actually gotten a lot more of those. Then I got some black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, and then I got some cashews. These are some juices that I got. This is really good though. This has no added sugar and it only has apple juice, beetroot juice, carrot juice, lemon juice and ginger juice. Super excited to drink these. This was actually on offer, that's why I got 2 of those. Then I have some plant-based yogurt. This is coconut based and this is the normal Greek yogurt. And yeah, this is very stupid. I don't know why did I order it, but I do plan on putting this maybe in the baked oat recipe, or I am also planning on putting it in my smoothies. So yeah, that's why I got it. This is just a dried berry mix. And I also got some corn flour. And yeah, that's all that I got, I think. Yeah, those are all the things that I got from bigbasket.com. It's crazy how much grocery I've got, and I'm super excited to cook, by the way. Yeah. So I think I'm going to make pasta today because I do have broccoli, mushrooms and zucchini and bell peppers. So I think I do have enough of things. So I think I should make pasta today, or maybe the Asian stir fry. I don't know. Let's see. We will figure it out, but that's what it is. Really don't know if you can see, but there was this like beehive there and they just broke it, and now there are like bees everywhere, and it just makes me so sad looking at it, man. Just so sad. The humans are just so bad, and yeah, what we are doing with Mother Earth is just not right. Guys, I got this like really cool friends package from this event management company. So there are these cutouts from the show. So there's like Monica and like all that, okay, and they're iconic dialogues from the show. So there's this one for Joey, okay, and then I gave it to Samarth and he's like, what do I do with it? And I said, just keep it. And he's like, why? And then this is the cover of the box, okay, so I said, here somewhere is the reason, and I made him actually look for the reason as to why I have given him that, and he chose this one. He's like, this is the reason why you gave me. So this says the one with the monkey, and if you are a Friends fan, you would know who was the one with the monkey. Let me know in the comment section. But oh my god, guys, I was such a crazy fan. Like, I used to literally take like quiz and trivia questions on Friends all the time. Me and my friends, we used to bunk lectures. Sorry dad, but we used to bunk lectures, and that is what we used to do. We used to sit in the canteen and like take these trivia questions. And on my nose, what is this? That's my skin, right? Yeah, it's purging. It's purging. I applied a product and your skin purges when the couple of days.
Product is nice.
I don't know if the product is nice, but yeah, your skin does purge when you apply chemicals. Anyway, so this is what he chose, and you know what, just yesterday he called me a monkey because I shaved my, obviously we all do, like all the girls, and it's just growing back, okay, my sideburns. And then he's like, oh, you have hair here? And I said, yeah. And then he's like, oh, you're like literally a monkey. And I'm like, no, he asked me, are you a monkey? So he actually showed this one, and this isn't the answer, this is Ross. So then I again told him to, you know, look for the actual answer, and the actual answer is Joey doesn't share food, because Samarth also doesn't share food. You know, can you guys believe it? Like, he doesn't believe in sharing, when sharing is caring, and he should know that. People should know that. I don't like people who don't share. And yeah, this is actually an ultimate reason for all of you guys to stop finding him cute. So this is what I feel. Anyway, this is such a nice package. I mean, I'm not getting paid to say this, but look at the whatever, the diary. They've given coffee, obviously, because everybody in the show had coffee. There's this one. This is such a nice cutout. I really like it. And there's also this painting. So I'll tell you.
Painting.
It's not a painting, it's like a frame, like a photo frame. Yeah, okay, it's a photo frame. And I'll tell you. So Samarth is like, so like technologically challenged. What happened is, I showed him this and I said, this is so cool, you can actually scan this, you know, and the song plays on Spotify. I hope you guys know that. So I asked him to scan it, and he's like, what, there's a scanner and you can scan it? And I was like, what, you didn't know that? And yeah, like, you know, today I feel really good, because most of the time he knows everything. Like, I have to go and just ask him things, and he'll be like, okay.
Because I don't use Spotify.
Yeah. Do you guys remember
I use YouTube Music.
Do you guys remember in 2021 everybody was sharing their Spotify wala thing, like the songs that they listened to over the year, and Samarth had heard like what, 5 songs, or like I actually checked this and was like, have you even used Spotify? And he had the saddest collection. Okay, like he had not heard anything. But yeah, he doesn't use it, so that makes sense. But still, this is so cool. I really like it. Everything. And the best part is the t-shirt. Oh my god, look at it. I'm so excited to wear it. And yeah, that's about it. It's pretty cool, all these cutouts and stuff. I just got done filming some content for Instagram. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, go follow me there. I post like a lot. I have been actually posting a lot, and I'm trying to be extremely regular even on my Instagram, so please do that. And yeah, look at the mess that I created. And Samarth, being the nicest brother, actually no, we actually have to go home. That's why he's like helping me fold clothes. But yeah, this is literally all the things that I wore in today's, you know, whatever reels that I filmed. Also, very fun thing, guys. Do you know, like these poplin shirts on Zara for like 2,000 rupees, and I was almost going to go and get myself one, but then it just occurred to me that my dad has something similar and he doesn't like this color, and this shirt was literally lying in his wardrobe. So I was like, can I just borrow it? And I borrowed it, and oh my god, I created such good content with this shirt. It's such a summery color, and I'll probably just keep it for myself. But yeah, this is the coolest thing I think my dad owns. But yeah, I just like filmed it, and I'm like so happy that I didn't have to go out and get this. I actually asked Samarth for his shirts as well. So if you have like brother, or if your father wears shirts, and if they have like, just, you know, go through their wardrobe and rate them. I'm pretty sure you'll find pretty oversized shirts. Don't go out and buy from Zara or anywhere else. So yeah, anyway, I am just going to wrap this up, and I am actually going home after how long? I think it's been a month and a half, is it? Yeah, it's been a month and a half. That is because, okay, on the 1st of June they are saying that the lockdown would be lifted, and I'm so happy. Like, not completely, but thoda relax ho jayega for sure. So I'm very happy for that as well. And I'm going home, and oh my god, I just want to eat like ghar ka, mom ke hath ka khana, and I want to sleep. So that's why I'm just like wrapping things up. I created a lot of content for Instagram actually, so that, you know, next couple of days I can just chill and take a break. So now I'm just going to clean my room and pack my bags and go home.
Nice. Oh, if you hold the camera
I'll have to like walk behind you. Just come out for a walk and it's going good so far. Also, I really like what they have done with this area. Earlier there wasn't this pathway where we are walking, and now it feels so good, so green and like just so nice. I was just telling someone how we should get mom here.
Yes.
Yes, yes. तुझं नाव काय आहे?
विनीता
आणि तुझं?
नंदिता
ओके, आय जस्ट लाईक मेट माय सबस्क्रायबर्स. थँक्यू पहिले तर.